What's up, everyone? Holy crap. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be doing another Jegs unboxing video. Now, this is the 2-in-1 creeper. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's inside of it. All right. So Jegs went ahead and told me to pick out all the stuff on their website that I thought would be very useful. And this package here is definitely one of the most useful tools that I probably will be using. The reason being is because this is a 2-in-1 piece of equipment. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing. I got me a handy little razor blade this time, starting off the video doing things the right way. All right. If you didn't see the last Jegs unboxing video, definitely go check it out. I unboxed a super cool 170-piece tool set from Jegs. It's super clean, super nice. Definitely go check that video out. It was a good one. Here's what we got so far. So we got a couple of different pieces. Oh, check that out. Here's the cushion, it says Jegs. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys why this thing is a 2-in-1 creeper. Jegs had the bright idea to make this thing a multifunction tool. So not only is it a creeper, but it also folds into a mechanic chair. Now this thing is awesome because it saves you some money and it's pretty affordable, so you don't have to get two different pieces of equipment, and it doesn't take up too much space in your garage. So the tools that I'm gonna be using to put this thing together, I'm gonna use the toolbox that I had mentioned in the last video. Got my handy little toolbox. All right, so now that we have everything out of the box, we can go ahead and put it together. So Jegs did a really amazing job with this thing and made it very easy to put together for literally anybody. They supply you with 4 of these bolts, 4 of these locking nuts, and 8 of these washers. Now the washer is gonna go on the bolt head side and the nut side. First thing we're gonna do is flip all the pieces upside down so we can work on it a little bit easier and see what we're doing. So this is the order that it's all gonna go in as well. We'll start off with the top end over here. Go ahead and put the washer on the bolt side. Slip this thing through over here. We're gonna put another washer on the other side and then screw the nut right on. We're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did right here to the rest of the spots on this thing. So the tools that I'm gonna be using for this is a 3/8 drive ratchet with a 14mm socket on it, and then on the nut side, it's a 13mm wrench. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and tighten everything up. All right, so once we get all the bolts tight, now we can move on to the wheels. So all you're gonna go ahead and do is basically slip this little Allen head thing up in here. Go ahead and hand tighten it, and then you're gonna use a little Allen wrench. Put that in there. I found that using channel locks works the best for this. Don't wanna over tighten this stuff. Definitely don't wanna do that. All right, we got everything on and everything is now tight. Now we can go ahead and test this thing out. Oh yeah. Check out how clean this thing is looking on the top. Oh my God. Jegs did another amazing job with this thing. Super slick, super clean looking. Now it's time to really get this thing to test. The first thing I want to test out is how good these wheels roll. As you've seen in the beginning of the video, I rolled in here on a skateboard. I'm not the best skater. Almost busted my butt on the ground right here, but we'll go ahead and give this thing a test. Jesus Christ. Yeah, no, this thing definitely rolls pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what makes it a 2-in-1 tool. On this side of the creeper, there's this little pull pin right here. So this basically locks it in creeper mode. Now to take it out of creeper mode and to fold it into the chair position, we're gonna go ahead and pull the little pin like this. And you're basically just gonna pull the back end of the chair up like so, all the way. With this top side, all you're gonna do is just flip this like so. Here we are, the creeper is now turned into a chair. Just give it a spin. Nice. You can cruise if you want to. Or go really fast. And what I like most about it is the fact that it is super easy to fold right back into the creeper position. Flip this down, bam! There you go, you got a creeper. Oh my God, I'm done. I'm gonna hurt myself if I don't stop. Jesus Christ, I'm sweating from all this rolling. Holy crap. It's also super light and very easy to hold. I mean, look, hold it up with one arm, no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and get some cool shots for you guys so you can see just how nice this thing really is. Let me know what you guys think of the product in the comments below. And if you want to go ahead and get one of these for yourself, go ahead to jegs.com right now and go ahead and get you one of these. They're pretty cheap, pretty affordable. Definitely best bang for the buck. Jegs, thank you so much for sending me this awesome product. Let me know if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.